how to find your Bank of Hawaii's account number. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to find your account number of Bank of Hawaii. So in that case, you just have to make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. If you have an online account, then you could go ahead and log into your account, and when you're logged in, you could go to the account center, and from the following page you could go ahead and locate your account number. And likewise, if you are unable to do this procedure, so if you have a checkbook of Hawaii, then what next you can do is locate your checkbook, and when you actually have a checkbook, you can see the account number, your routing number, and then the check number as well. So basically, the number that's right in center is your account number, and the one that is right in the corner is your check number, and then likewise you have the account number, the same thing. So that is how you can find your Bank of Hawaii's account number. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.